Bazooka coming to you live from the Petra Audio Expo. I'm in the Bazooka booth with John Jordan, and I'd like for you to introduce yourself to our listeners.
Well, I'm John Jordan, President, CEO, and actual founder of Bazooka. I've been with the company for 28 years, and I've been enjoying it every year.
Great. And what opportunities do you believe that the Car Audio Expo offers to the retailers that come to the show?
I think it's a wonderful opportunity for them to mix with the vendors and learn about the products that they're selling, understand those products, how to merchandise them, pitch points, and just get a general feel for the value propositions that all these different vendors have to make them successful.
And from your standpoint, what do you look forward to about coming to the show?
Meeting the dealers. I love talking with the dealers. I like showing them our product, why it makes sense in their store, and helping them understand how to sell it. I think that's the key to our mutual success.
Great. Now, one thing that really impresses us about Bazooka is the simplicity that it offers to retailers for adding base to about any vehicle. Can you tell us about Bazooka's complete base solutions and the way that Bazooka makes it easy for retailers?
Yeah, absolutely. We have it over here. The whole concept of Bazooka, as you mentioned, is simplicity. We strongly believe that the easiest way to make a difference in the sound system is adding bass response. And how do you do that efficiently and well? 100-watt amplified tubes are low current draw, which means they can be put into any audio system without having to go through the firewall to the battery to connect them. To make that easy, we've created a complete bass solution that includes all the installation hardware you need to put the product in the car. We use this patented posi-lock system, which basically is a threaded cap. You unthread that, tap it over the wire, and it pierces the wire and gives you a secure connection that's not going to come loose like a T-tap or a Scotch lock. It's the only OEM-approved harness on the market. Because of the current draw, we can pick up power, signal, and turn on right out of the factory harness. Pull it down, connect our extension cable, which is 5 meters long, so you have plenty of length to run it to the back of the car where the tube should be placed. Load the tube in the back, plug it in, and you're done. So the advantage it gives them is that we call it a complete solution because it's everything they need for a customer either take it home and sell it and put it in themselves and then I joke about them coming back on Monday to let the dealer finish it up.
Right.
Or for the dealer to sell an hour install and actually only take about a half hour to put it in. It's a very efficient, simple way for them to add bass to a vehicle without a lot of drudgery that comes along with all the normal amp, woofer, and box solutions that are out there.
Very cool. Now, Bazooka has something new for dealers that's really exciting. What can you tell us about the demo test tube?
That's very cool. That's a new product we've come out with. And we call it our demo tube controller. And what it essentially is because of the current draw we mentioned is only 5 amps of the amplified tube, we can use a cigarette lighter to power our own MP3 player that's got a built-in FM modulator. We plug it in, we select our modulation frequency and modulate that to the radio. We plug in our extension cable where we're running our powered tube. And now, in a customer's car, we can let them hear the addition of a sub with and without bass. So now you're in it with the sub, and I can turn the subwoofer off, and now that's without the bass. So think of us being in a customer's car and saying, so, ma'am, this is what your system sounds like with and without bass response. It takes 3 inputs, where we give you an SD card that's got house music on it, so if you don't have any music available to you, we give you some music you can use. It takes a mini jack input, so if you've got an iPod or an MP3 player, the customer's MP3 player, or a thumb drive. So you have 3 options of source you can modulate to the system, and effectively you can say, sir, madam, let me let you listen to your car with your music with and without a subwoofer, because we believe that adding bass makes a bigger difference in any sound system, more so than changing out any other component. And the demo tube lets you show that and prove that point to your customers, whether you're selling Bazooka or whether you're just selling bass in a trunk-forward selling proposition, which is what we think you should be doing.
Great, great. Well, we appreciate you taking the time to chat with us and our viewers. And if you have a chance and you're at the show, you've got to make it down to the Bazooka booth and check out this stuff in person. It's awesome. If you can't make it to the show, you have to go to the Petra Facebook page at facebook.com/petra.industries, where you're watching all of these videos streaming live all day long. Of course, at the end of the video, right now, I'm going to give you a catchphrase to post on the wall to be entered to win awesome prizes. And from Bazooka's own literature, the catchphrase will be a bigger sound, a better way. Post that up to win prizes.